Okay. We're gonna go there after. Starting over here first. Do like 2 laps tonight, I guess. I'll go in front. Yeah, sorry. Waiting to go in front. Okay, here we go. Alright, tonight is I think this is the steak sandwich. Prime rib sandwich. Okay. Alright, Concourse Walk, Carolina version. Get a little bit of everything here. Alright, little pause. That's where they get popcorn. I think I've been in there before. Doesn't matter, I'm not buying anything. Gotta get by these people here. Can't get anyone's way either. Oh wow. That's different. 6. Oh. The bad number. Look how long the guest services is already. We just got in. That's crazy. That is crazy. Different entrance. What's this? Wow. We'll probably do a second lap. Wow. Look at this place now. See those lights. Oh my gosh. Justin Williams. Hold on, Justin Williams. Yeah, it's still really early. It's like this. Wow. I'm surprised. Willie's Hot Chicken. There you go. Justin Williams. It's weird. I think it's just sold here though. Bud Light. Wow. Wow. I know, this is crazy. It's okay, they're gonna be upset. It's okay. They'll be upset later. They'll be upset. Come on, Canes, it's your friggin' home house. Where the heck are you guys? Look at all these Islander fans. What's going on here? Pretzel, oh god. That actually looks good. You think that looks good? Maybe. You gotta get that big bag, big bag. Dippin' Dots. God, where are the Canes fans, man? There's a lot, but come on, there needs to be more. Come on. Gotta kick these guys out of the ring. Come on. It's ridiculous. No, that's the wrong one. We have to go on the other side. We have to go where we came in. I know. I gotta see how busy it is too. I don't know how popular it's gonna be right now. Cause so lots of time. I wanna do. Huh? We gotta come back. Just come back. Like I'm telling you, we can just come back. You're not listening. I need to be alone in the future, you know? See, now that we got everyone looking at me here, it's just you. Chocolate chip cookie. I don't have much there. Pizza logs. Hold on, get out of the way. Just want to get that. Wow. It's a pretty good view, actually. That's a pretty good view. They got all the ice cream that I had last time. I understand. I think they do have cup and char. Maybe they do have cup and char. Maybe that's why it's called Buffalo. Wow. It's really interesting.
What's up?
That's why that's like golden opportunity to get this done. Because there's not that many people in here. It'll be busy later. Guess I don't really need to do it again. Not really.
Yeah.
1:15. We're almost at the beginning. So it's 1:15 where this one is. This one's at 1:15. 1:15. I don't know why that light's not on. Huh. See, that's where I started getting confused, is right there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Looks pretty good. But it says super pretzel, so I don't know. I don't know about that. But there's a lot of salt. So it might be good. There's a lot of salt, but it does say super pretzel, so I'm not sure about that entirely. But it does say super pretzel. So take that with a grain of salt. Literally. Yeah, that's where we started. What?
We all do it when we get into it.
I know. I get it. Sorry. Do one more. Just do a bonus one. I already did the main one. I'm just doing this as a bonus now. Guess one more lap it is. We got a pitcher. I guess you gotta do it at least once. Then I guess I'll head down after. Figure out what I'm gonna do about the 300s. I'll probably just go do it after. Unless I like go up and then do it. Yeah. One more time. One more look. There you go. I gave you guys one more look. No, it's doing one extra one. This is just a bonus. Just a bonus now. Yeah, just a bonus. Huh? I don't know who had it on. Whoever they are, they're lost. Whoever the Panther fan is in here. What the heck are they doing? Not a clue. Not a clue. Still, no, this is a great time to walk. Great time. This is golden opportunity. This one you got to take advantage. Yeah, I'm probably gonna head down after this. We'll figure out the 300s later. I'd like to do it, but I like to do it now. But I just don't know how fast I can do it. Probably not gonna have enough time. My goodness, it is still definitely a good time to do this. Definitely a pretty good time. While it's still quiet. Definitely a good time. Okay, well, there you go. There you go. There you go. I'll give you the ceiling too. I'll give you west parking. So this is west. This is west.
We'll see where he'll come.
It looks the same though, even though it's a different side. They look good though. And lots of salt. God, why are all these Islander fans here? It's okay. They're gonna get kicked out tonight. It's okay. We'll kick them out. It's okay.
Thank you.
Let them come. Let all the other fans come, because the more they are, the more intimidated. Okay, they'll crack. They'll crack under. They won't crack, but they'll play good. When they're under pressure, they're gonna play good. I don't know. I don't think you could put this ring downtown, even if you wanted to. I don't think you could. Even if you wanted to, right? I don't know. Which time? I can't even see. A little bit more of a bonus. Last 100s. This will be the last clip. So that's why I had the ice cream. Can't see in there. Yeah, let's go down now. And yeah, I guess we'll just head up. But it's the same section, right? Yeah. It's still 53 minutes. Damn, I'm gonna be sitting for a while. Like a half an hour at least. I kind of have to. If I don't, then I don't know. I kind of, because eventually it's gonna get busy. I know like another 20 minutes is gonna be a lot busier. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my spot. The red just probably won't take that long to do anyways. So. Okay, a few more sections. We're going down. I'm not messing around anymore. It's still 53 minutes. I don't know. I gotta have to sit there for like a half an hour. Oh well, that's what we have to do. We gotta do what we gotta do now. I don't like this jersey. I don't like that one. It's a really weird one. It's a road jersey. So when they wear away, they don't wear that one here. Just a couple of times they did. Just for a special game. But I don't like it. I like their home jerseys better. I like the black one and I like the red one. Yeah. So he's parking. Can't. Let's go down. Matthew Schaefer. Let's get him. We're gonna get him. I don't want this. I'm going to the other side. I can't let people know. I gotta stay anonymous. Panthers. There's the Panthers guy. What the heck's he doing here? Okay. Let's head up, I guess. Let's go. Get a little escalator. He's going so fast. Yeah, fast. Very fast. Holy crap. Because of the padding. Because it's a PNC area. There you go, a little view in there. That's the PNC. Look down there, look at that view. A little bit over here. Just get a view in here. So that's what it looks like, look. That's what it looks like. Not too much. Got pizza down there. Look, let's just zoom into the pizza there. Yeah. I don't slide with that. Go it this way. Okay, 300 time. A little bit dark, but we'll take it. It's better than nothing. Sun's still going down. It's actually not too bad of a time. There's the sun. Might be a little crowded, but it's okay. We'll work with it. One full lap. We're just gonna do one lap. Gonna go look at that new area as well. They renovated. We got a lot of work to do still. It's only a 1-1 game, but we're out playing them pretty good. We just gotta keep going. Gotta keep the foot on the gas pedal. It's gonna be tough. Like, I don't know, man. I mean, really, it could be anyone's game still. Like, honestly, can't have expectations. A lot could still happen. I'm still very nervous. But I'm hopeful. I'm staying hopeful that the Canes can do this. Oh, it's Sens fan? Oh, my. A Sense fan. That's different. I don't think I've seen a Sense fan out here yet. I even seen a Toronto fan out here and a Montreal fan before, but it wasn't the Leafs. So I've seen that. That's the first I've seen a Sens fan. That's different. Stream on the FanDuel Sports Network. These almost remind me of Tampa. These lights a little bit, but they're a little bit different. Going to the new area. Let's see the new area. Alright. Yeah, these lights look kind of like Tampa. I don't know why. And the Leafs, it used to be the Leafs. Actually, kind of more like the Leafs. Okay, new area. Wow. This area is actually pretty cool. It's actually a pretty good area. So you got a bar over here. It's actually not too bad. What team is that? Oh, that's the March Madness, I think. I think they are playing today. Who's the Illinois and UConn? Who's UConn? Oh, Connecticut.
They just opened it up.
Yeah, Connecticut, remember now. That's a pretty nice new area. That's a pretty nice area. Washroom lines. Restroom, I meant. Restroom. I'm in America. Take a look. Almost there. Not really, actually. We still got like another 20 sections or something. Try the local favorite. Huh. Crazy start. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty crazy start. I think this is where we came in. This is where we came in. I think this is where we have to go after. We got a long way to go. Still got 40 minutes. Of course they're chanting. Of course they are. Actually, it's not terrible. You know what? Actually, the crowd here is not too bad. I think the Leafs are a lot worse crowd than this. And maybe even Tampa. I didn't try Tampa or the Panthers, but I'm assuming they would be worse. Here's a little rough. A little choppy over here. I could have done this earlier, but we had to get to a corner spot, so I guess it wasn't going to work out earlier. It's the best you're going to get. There's a Chick-fil-A. You just got treats here? Oh, no, you do have a sandwich. You can get a sandwich here from Chick-fil-A. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's not too bad. Got some. Okay. Almost there. A little crowded. Got some signage. Alright, we're gonna head back slowly. Going to the 3:30s now. That means we're getting closer. We're almost there. We're almost there. Not too bad. They have vending machines here? Holy crap. Ticket information. Pepsi. Whatever. Okay, I'm just reading whatever the hell that says. Okay, what's over here? Hold on, we got some over here too. Not a fan of that jersey. It's not bad, but it's kind of weird to me. This is true. Wow. It's different. Stream again. Where does that go? Family. Okay. We're almost done. A little bit tight over here. I don't know. This kind of reminds me of Buffalo, but not really. It's nicer though. It's like Buffalo, but it's a bit nicer. I think it's just a bit nicer than Buffalo. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, where are we at now? What number? Pro Shop. Concession stands. Huh. It's just so interesting. It's just like the Concourse here, man.
It was like a show.
Yeah, pretty much did a whole lot. That's where we started. how much time I got rid of there. What was it? It only took 6 minutes. Actually, it didn't take too much. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. That wasn't too bad. Wow. More. Okay. Not too bad. Did it in about 6 minutes. That was pretty good. Just for people who want to see that. Okay. What's that? Sausage.